Hi, thank you very much for joining me here today. My name is Rose and this is Easy to Cook at Home. Today I'm making chicken a la king. It can also be made with turkey as well. It's a lovely, rich, creamy sauce full of flavour. Now I'm not really quite sure where the name a la king comes from in the recipe, so if you do, please leave a comment below because I have googled it and I can't find it out. Anyway, it's super easy and I digress. Let's get started. Okay, so in my pan here I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 knob of butter, it's about 25 grams, and I cook that until it's bubbling hot. Place the chicken breast into the hot oil and butter and let them cook on both sides for around about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, turn it over. Let it cook on the other side. Yummy. Okay, so the chicken's been cooking for around about 10 minutes. I'm just going to take that out, put it aside. Some of the chicken breasts are not going to be completely cooked through, but that's not a problem because we're going to put all the other vegetables in here and we'll allow the chicken to cook through the sauce afterwards. Onto this plate here. Okay, so into the pan here I'm going to add in 1 medium-sized onion, grated. I've grated it just so it's got all those lovely full flavours of the onion. We just cook this in a roasting high heat. Okay, so the onion's nice and translucent, starting to get brown, and to that we're going to add the peppers. I have 1 whole green pepper cut into strips and also 1 whole red pepper. What I like about the red pepper is there's a lovely sweetness to the dish, so we just cook those down and make it lovely and soft, beautiful together. Okay, so it's getting nice and soft now. Just keep cooking it through. What I love about chicken a la king with the red peppers, make it so lovely and sweet. You can make it only with green, but I would suggest you make it with red because the red peppers itself make the dish absolutely superb. Okay, at this stage, while the peppers are sweating down and getting lovely and cooked, I like to add 1 tablespoon of rosemary because I think it gives a beautiful flavour to it. I put it in the pestle and mortar, put the rosemary in the pestle and mortar and just ground it down and then mix that through too. It makes an absolutely beautiful flavour to the dish. Oh, that rosemary smells beautiful. And to this I'm going to add the mushrooms. These are sliced mushrooms. Just mix that through too. Let them get coated in the oil. All the beautiful flavours in there with the peppers and the rosemary. Okay, so the vegetables with the rosemary have been sautéing now for around about 5 minutes. So you can see the vegetables all really lovely cooked together there. I'm also going to add in 1 tablespoon of garlic just to give it a little bit of extra zazoo, a bit of extra flavour. Now with chicken a la king, the major flavour to the actual dish is sherry. You'll find that most people will put sherry in chicken a la king, and some people put white wine, some people put whiskey, but the authentic recipe for chicken a la king is actually sherry. So we're going to put about 1 tablespoon in the dish. Now on top of that we're going to add the chicken. Now like I said, I've cut my chicken up into strips. You can have it in full pieces if you like. I'm going to mix that through. You can always also make this dish with cooked chicken. Now to this I'm going to add some single cream. You can use evaporated milk as well, but I think single cream gives it a beautiful, yummy, creamy flavour. Mix that through. Okay, so that's cooked down nicely. It's quite a thin, creamy sauce. If you want to thicken it up, you could add some cornflour to it. I like it thicker than that. I like a really beautiful, rich, thick sauce. So inside this cup here, I've put 2 teaspoons of corn flour with a couple of teaspoons of water. I'm going to add that in just to thicken it up, and just allow that to thicken up, just so it's a much thicker sauce. And then we can set this over noodles or rice or with potatoes. You can see it getting a lot thicker now. Okay, so let's give it a taste test. Oh yeah. It's nice and creamy. You can taste the sherry in it, chicken, and lovely sweet peppers in there and garlic. Lovely served with some rice or some noodles, pasta. Okay, so I've dished it up. I've just put some boiled rice underneath it, and I've just garnished it with some capsicum on the top there to make it nice and colourful. I'm sure it'll be good, lovely and tasty. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave your comments below. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much. Have a great day, and bye-bye for now. Hope to see you soon. Bye.